I'm back with an update on my week 8 mini braids. Yes, it has been 8 weeks. But let me tell y'all something. I have been picking at my hair a lot. I'm picking at my hair a lot for like a whole week straight now. My roots particularly, because I was so surprised to touch my scalp and find out that I have all that new growth. And I could tell that it's legit new growth because I didn't wash my hair or wear any type ponytails or do any kind of tugging or anything on my hair. So this is legit new growth for 8 weeks. I'm loving this ponytail, but I'm gonna take it out so I can show y'all new growth. Like, I've been picking in my hair because I am just like, whoa. My hair really grew out this time and my braids are still very neat. See how neat they are? Like, you see how smooth the braids are, including the roots too. It's been 8 whole weeks, 8 weeks, and I'm not ready to take these out at all. And I know I'm always saying, I'm not ready to take these out. Well, I'm like, for real, I'm not ready to take these out. And I'm already on week 8. And at first, I wasn't really feeling them at first. I was like, well, I like my other ones more. But then I was like, I actually like these now too. Even though they're bigger than the last ones, they are, they're more well held together than the other ones. Way more held together. Like, I've really been keeping up with these, and I don't feel like the products I've been using is this and this. Now, normally in my week, I'm gonna pick one or the other to put on my hair, because this is the cream for my hair, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is the cream for when I hydrate, like after I put on the water, and then I go and put on either one of these. I don't really use them both in the same day. And I remember that I was trying to figure out what grease to use and whatever, and that softy grease didn't work for my hair. I actually threw it away. I just got rid of the whole thing because yeah, I know I could have used water, could have microwaved the grease, you know, for the softening up, whatever, but I just didn't like it, so I threw it away and I switched it out for this. This is what I'll be using to seal my hair. To get onto the scalp, I was using Shea Moisture scalp, you know, leave-in cream, but I noticed that it was leaving buildup on my roots, and that's something that should be avoided with mini braids, so that the hair can be taken out easier, because that's what makes it hard to take out actually, is product buildup. If you look at a lot of the mini braid videos, it's the product buildup. I switched out Shea Moisture scalp cream for this, and this is all that I put on my scalp right now, and this is from Manetain, and this revitalizing growth oil. This is all I be using. This is for my ends, seal stuff into the product into my ends. This is for my scalp only. Spray bottle of water, of course. Natural hair always needs water. Now, when it comes to these two right here, I always pick one or the other. I pick one or the other because they're both a leave-in cream. They both hydrate. So I just pick one, and the one that I'm liking the most is this one right here. And that's because it is actually a good product. Like, it hydrates my hair and moisturizes it at the same time. And my hair just be feeling so soft from this, and it makes my hair way more manageable than I'll say this right here. Yeah, it's a cream and whatever, but it's like, it's very bulky, and it's takes more time to rub in. Meanwhile, this right here, so easy. Just add enough water when using it and I'm good to go. So let's run this down now that I'm in week 8. Let's go down the list of where I found my moles at and what I've been doing ever since week 5 to be exactly. I stopped hydrating, moisture, and sealing my hair twice a week. I never washed my hair, even though at first my routine was to wash my hair every 3 weeks and also rebraid my nape every 3 weeks, but I didn't do either one, and the reason being is because I want to show y'all that your hair can grow without washing it at all, first off. Second off, the fact that when it's not washed, it's easier to take out. And third of all, when it's not washed, the hair is more alive. It holds on to moisture. It's not dry and brittle. You can wear mini braids for a long time and get them out of your head. Hair is simple. You don't need to go and wash your hair every week, wash your hair every weeks. No, I've been wearing mini braids for years, and one time I wore mini braids for 3 months straight. I still have a full head of hair because I know about mini braids. I haven't washed my hair in 8 weeks. When you don't wash your hair, it's less problems with the mini braids, but when you do wash your hair, there's a whole nother host of problems. Like washing hair leads to breakage if you do it a lot because you're manipulating your hair, especially with mini braids when they're so old and you got all the new growth. Just leave it alone because you may end up breaking some hair. Now, I'm not saying don't wash your hair at all. It's washing your hair makes your style old, and who wants that? Especially somebody like me. I don't want my style to be aged. I want to keep my mini braids in for as long as possible. The last video, my hair was looking super busted for 8 weeks. But this time, it's not. I'm talking like extra busted. Like, I was surprised I even came on camera like that. But I came on to show y'all the real deal. Of course, I didn't run around in public and just wear it like that. No, I was wearing a hat or the head wrap. So it's all good. Guys, I tried so much with my hair. I tried to cornrow it down, and guess what? The new growth got in the way of my cornrows. Like, it didn't feel good to be doing the cornrows on all this new growth. Now, I know this don't look like much because I've been showing y'all week by week some parts of my hair has actually grown a lot more than other parts. Like, you see how much is grown out right here compared to the other spots I just showed y'all? Do y'all see that? Some parts of the hair grows more than others. Like, look at that. Look at this. That's a lot of new growth. Look at how much new growth that is, y'all. And again, I did not rebraid my nape at all. And it's been a whole 8 weeks. I've been losing track of time with these mini braids, so I really be having to go back and check the time. And it's been 8 months. I've been losing track of time with these mini braids, for real, because I was moving off my time. And I actually have worn them for 8 weeks. Lost a little bit track of time just now because I'm supposed to be hydrating, moisturizing, and sealing my hair. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. And let's go. that's all I've been doing for my routine. I don't know if it's the fact that I've been using this right here, but I know one thing for certain is good for my hair. It do say it's revitalizing growth oil, which I did not notice. It stimulates, nourishes, and moisturizes for stronger and healthier hair. And I'm gonna tell you right now, this product have a funny smell, like a mint tea or some sort. I'm using this a lot, and I'm definitely going to purchase it again from the Manetain. Let me be specific, by Dollar Curl Club. This comes from Dollar Curl Club. So that's been working really good for me. It's been keeping my new growth nice, moisturized, soft, giving a nice shine to it. It's just been keeping my hair so healthy. I had this on my shelf for a long time. Like, it really sat on the shelf for like almost a whole year until I used it, and then I was like, okay, yeah, well, I'm just going to use it. I'm going to give it a try. And then I gave it a try, and even though I don't like the smell, I like it. I like the way it makes my hair feel, my roots feel. Like, look at it. I only put it on my roots, you see? I didn't put none of the other product on my roots. That's a cream, and creams cause Manetain and product buildup. I just used this Manetain right here. It's good for healthy scalp, healthy new growth. Like, it nourishes the new growth when it's coming in. And it can also be put on the length of the hair, but the bottle is so small, so I wouldn't recommend it unless you got money to keep on dishing out. So this definitely has peppermint oil in it, so that's where the mint smell is coming from. The scalp feels so good, and this has been helping me with my dry and itchy scalp. I put this on my scalp every week, and little to no itching. Like, when I tell y'all, I'll be wearing this for a whole week until my next Hydrate, Moisture, and Seal day. I do. Like, when I go to sleep, since this is already on my head, it just stays on there, protects my hair. When I wake up, I don't even want to take it off because it feels so comfortable. It is keeping the heat in and the moisture and hydration to my hair. So yeah, I'll be keeping this on, especially to nourish my hair, and I know it's holding the moisture in and the hydration in. You know, it's all good. I'll be back on week 9.